CEO of Temp-tations.
I am.
You've been on QVC how long?
17 years this year.
17 years. And how many sets ordered?
Over 18 million sets.
I think you and I have been together for most of those.
Thank you,
all right,
everybody.
This is a fantastic way to begin our show because guess what, guys? Last day featured price. Now, what does that mean? That means at the end of this day, this featured price of $45.43, Tara, will go away.
Yes.
And it'll go back up to the normal QVC price. Never to be at this price again.
Correct.
But tonight, because of our 4 easy pays on every item on air and online till midnight, this is 4 payments of $11.36. You also have only until midnight to get that price or until your color sells out. You should also know we have no reorder on this set.
That's
it's
right.
being retired.
Retire.
So when it's gone for good. Let's have Tara tell you what's in the set because it really is remarkable. You've left no stone unturned.
Well, and I love, first of all, when I think about casseroles, I always think of that iconic oval shape. So I love that the largest one's going to be our 3.5 quart. That's going to nest down inside its wrought iron rack. That's the system we call Temp-tations, being able to take it right from the table, right from the oven to the table. Then, of course, we have your 2 quart. We're going to nest down inside our 1 quart, and then we have our 1/2 quart. 7 quart total capacity. Everything nests down, David. So the only thing that you have to store is that large 3.5 quart oval, and every single baking dish comes with the see-through snap-on storage cover, so you can literally make, bake, and take, and you can prep ahead of time, which we love.
And I love that you brought us all of our favorite colors, and you brought even some seasonal goodies.
Yep, we do.
Which are going to be a lot of fun. But I want you to know that Floral Lace Blue,
Yes.
I have fewer than 500 left.
Seriously?
And that's our most popular.
And then retiring.
And then retiring. And so remember, not only retiring, but the price goes away at the end of the day.
Oh, that's right.
So price goes away, item disappears if it sells out. If we lose a color, never to come back in this set, okay? Now, just in time for St. Patty's Day. Oh, well, sorry, it sold out.
Oh.
Okay, bye-bye. Aaron, can I give you this doll? Boy, that was fast, wasn't it?
Just in time, just kidding.
Aaron, my crew person is saying, wait a minute, what?
What happened?
You know what? That's just the power of Temp-tations right there, boys and girls. All right,
everybody.
this is called Fall. I have fewer than 100. Aaron, don't go far, boo.
Goldenrod, right?
I call it goldenrod.
I love that.
You know what? That paper stock or that paper
Yes.
color called
You
goldenrod.
got it.
This is called Fall. Then beneath that, we've got it in Festive. And I want you to see the inside of the Festive because it's
you.
both red and green
sweet.
on the inside of Festive.
And I love that we have fall and festive since we are retiring this collection. You'd be able to add on and just save it for next season.
Exactly. Now we put these little plastic cups in between so we can jack them up a little bit so you can see the color. All right, this one, I know it's very fancy. This is the green, fewer than 300. Here's your red, 400 left. Here's cranberry, 400. This is all floral lace. Then I have for you spice, 250. Then I've got, that one is called
black? Yep.
Black.
Yep.
220, and then light blue, 150. Some might call it Carolina blue. I know I would. And this one is, say it with me, chocolate. 7 dozen left in the chocolate. All right. And then beneath that, I've got it for you an eggplant. Only 200 to go around. Now, we have far fewer colors available in Old World. This is green, the color that started it all in Temp-tations. And then from there, we go over to Festive Fetty, 400. This one's confetti. Beneath that is your eggplant. 300 in the eggplant. Then Tara, if you'll point for me, that's the red, 350. Then the cranberry, available, and then that's the blue. Then black, 350. Spice, 180, and my color brown, 250 to go around.
All right.
Now, if you have a cue card tonight, you know how many easies you can put this on?
How many?
6.
Really?
But that's just until, I think, end of day tomorrow, is that right? Yeah. So if you don't have a cue card and you want to get this tonight and get the 6 pay, even more good news for you. Apply for a cue card, get approved, make the purchase, you get the 6 pay, you know what you get?
What?
$40 on your membership account to be used toward a future purchase.
So that makes this $5.43.
That's what my math tells me.
I like it.
I like it too.
You want to go to the oven?
Let's do that.
Okay.
All right, so we'll head over here and just tell you there's a lot of reasons why you may want to apply for that cue card if you don't already have it. And if you do have it, you've got 6 pay on everything you order tonight on air and online. The only exception will be gift cards. You can't put those on Easy Pay.
This won't hurt your feelings.
Is this nacho time?
A little nacho time.
Oh, I love nacho time.
Is it every time nacho time? I
Every
always
day
say
is nacho
Taco
day.
Tuesday, every day. Did you say every day is nacho day?
Yeah.
That actually was funny. Sorry.
Sometimes I say stuff and I don't even mean it to come out funny, and it
So
does.
here's what I love. If you're new to Temp-tations, these pieces go in the oven up to 500 degrees. So literally we tuck this under the broiler before we took it out so that cheese gets all nice and caramelized and ooey gooey and
Is this
crispy.
andouille?
Yes, it is.
Oh, yeah.
In honor of your jambalaya.
Well, and in honor of Chef Emerald being here,
Absolutely.
right?
And then, of course, we did some of our other dips. So think about this is our game day, right? Where if this could be your spinach and artichoke dip. We have your salsa. We do your pull-apart breads. And then, of course, we made some goodies because you just have to have some goodies. But whether you're doing hot or cold, remember you have
Is
those
this some
snap.
kind of garlic bread with whole cloves of garlic?
It's a pepperoni and garlic pull-apart bread.
That's crazy.
Because why wouldn't you want that?
Right?
Yes.
Oh, my word.
And the best part also is, and I love in our ovals, the fact that you can literally prep right in here and then cook right in here. We always talk about how it's metal utensil safe. The fact that you can take your KitchenAid hand mixer and mix everything up, then take this right to the oven, bake in it, then turn it out, slice in it, and serve in it. This is the beauty. You're using less dishes, less time in the kitchen, and you're storing less, washing less, and paying for less, David.
True story. Hey, all this is very, very popular, and lots of you are enjoying this last day at the feature price. 600 of these are now gone.
Thank you, everybody.
And you know what? I know that it's so cold the polar bears have a coat on. I mean, come on. I think the polar bears came inside for some chicken noodle soup because it's cold out there. So if you are going to be making all these great comfort dishes over the winter time, these dishes are perfect because every one of them is a baker.
Yes.
Every one of them is a serving dish.
Right, a bowl.
Every one of them is a bowl. My word, there's so many ways you'll work with these. Now, if you want the floral lace blue, $2.50 left. This is fall, 6 dozen. Beneath that is festive, $3.50. Here's floral lace in the green, $2.50. The red, $3.50, and the cranberry, $400. Here's your spice, $2.50. This is the black, fewer than 200, light blue, $1.20. Then I've got for you chocolate.
I was late.
6 dozen. And then finally in the eggplant, $1.80. Now down below is your Old World. This is Old World green. But beside that is Festive Fetty. Then beneath that is confetti. And then eggplant. Moving over to red. Then your cranberry. Then your blue. Then black. Spice. And my color, the brown. 900 are now gone in this presentation. Remember, there is no reorder on this. Last day featured price. At the end of the day today, this price will go up and its easy pay will disappear. You also get the plastic storage
I love
covers.
those.
So if you're looking to store whatever you have left over or you're making things in advance, you're going to be fine. Now, no plastic storage cover for the little guy?
There is. I tucked him away. I put him too far
There
away.
he is.
There he is. Yeah, so 3.5 quart, 2 quart, 1 quart, half quart, all nest down, but I love the fact that they come with the lids, and then of course the large one has that swing handle wire rack.
Hey, TMT.
Yes.
Tara McConnell Tesher.
Yes.
Yes.
I'll go with
You're
it.
coming back with one more item.
I am.
And you'll be with our Stacy tonight.
Yes.
So we're gonna look forward to that. I'm gonna come down to your level for a little hip action. Whoa, there it is.
There it is.
There
it's
it
Nacho
is.
day.
Hey, let's check in with Stacy, see what she's got going on.
First of all, we have a rockin' chat going on your Facebook page, Dave.